How to download your Facebook or your Instagram analytics from the Meta Business Suite. I'm Georgianne from GSD Solutions, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, you want to go into the Manage side of your Facebook business page. On the left-hand menu, you're going to scroll down to where you see Meta Business Suite. You're going to go ahead and click that. Upon getting into the Meta Business Suite, you are going to see a lot of different options and features that you could leverage here. What we want to do is go onto the left side menu again and select Insights. Once you select Insights, it's going to bring you to the page that shows you all of your metrics, such as your performance, interactions, and posts over the last few days, as well as months and weeks. At the left menu, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to the Content section, and you're going to click Content. Once you click Content, you're going to see on the top right corner, you're going to have the option to export data, and you want to select that. Once you select export data, it'll allow you to select the pages that you want to export the data from, as well as the date range and the metric. Do you want it to be published, performance, loyalty, audience, earnings, etc.? So what you can do here is select the time frame. So let's say we want to select last 30 days. Do you want for videos, posts, pages, creation date, activity? So you'll select the features that you want. So we're going to select videos. Let's do performance. And we're going to select from this page. And from here, you will then hit generate, and it will slowly generate. And once it's ready to download, you can download. Now let's go back in. If we want to do Instagram, we'll select the Instagram account that we want the analytics for. And then you could either do post, which will include videos, carousels, photos, and you could select the date range this month, this quarter, this year, custom. So for this one, let's go ahead and put the last 90 days as well. And then you select generate. This will take a minute to generate. And once it's all finished being generated, you click the down arrow and it'll allow you to download this as a spreadsheet. It's going to come as a CSV, and you could then look at any trends and patterns that may be in your data as a creator, so you could know which kind of content is performing the best. You could feed this data into other platforms so you could analyze it better. But this is how you would download your analytics from either Facebook and or Instagram using the Meta Business Suite. If you need any additional operations or technology support, go ahead and schedule a call with our experts at gsdsolutionsinc.com. If this video was helpful, we'd love for you to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment any additional questions that you have that we could maybe create a future video for. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.